If you're looking to enhance your Monopoly Go gameplay, the airplane mode trick can be quite handy. It allows you to manipulate your dice rolls and potentially land on more favorable squares. Here's how you can use it. First thing that you'll need to do is to exit Monopoly Go. Close the game completely and clear it from your recent apps. Now the second thing that you'll need to do is to enable airplane mode. Turn on airplane mode on your device. Now launch Monopoly Go. Open the game while airplane mode is still active. Wait for loading. Be patient and wait for the loading progress to reach 20%. Disable airplane mode. Once the loading bar hits 20%, disable airplane mode. Now check the outcome. If the loading comes naturally and reaches 100%, congratulations, the trick has succeeded. You receive free dice rolls and start from a refresh tile. Remember, this trick involves manipulating the game mechanics, so use it at your discretion.